See to it, I'm fixing to call Mama to see how if she got that bird I seen.
Oh, yeah?
You know, with her being all by herself and everything, I thought she can use a little company, you know.
Yeah, you're right, Cooyon.
You know that bird I seen her? It's one of the rarest birds what they got. It speaks 7 languages, and it cost me $1,000.
Mekyo. She gonna like that, Cooyon.
Yeah, let me call her right now.
Hello.
Hey, Mama. It's Cooyon. How's everything on your bayou?
It's good, Cooyon. How you doing, stupid?
Well, me and Tito doing good. You know they don't sell crawfish, boudin, or gratons here in South America?
Then they probably stupid like you.
Oh, Mama. Well, anyway, how you like that bird I sent you, Mama?
Man, it was good. A little tough, though, you know. I should have cooked that a little longer.
You ate that bird?
Hey, yeah, what you think?
Mama, that bird was a rare bird. It was very expensive, and it could speak 7 languages.